beginner's life. In this video, we'll discuss what is data science and the key steps of the data science life cycle. Okay. What is data science? Data science is a study of data to extract meaningful insights for business. To extract meaningful insights means deep understanding of the data to find the solution to a problem. Data science life cycle. In this, we have 6 steps: understanding the business problem, preparing the data, exploratory data analysis, modeling the data, evaluating the model, and deploying the model. We'll discuss each step in this video. Understanding the business problem. First, you need to understand what the problem is. List the issue that needs to be resolved. Define the project's potential value. Determine the project's risk. Create and distribute a flexible, high level project plan. Preparing the data. So, you have to prepare the data. For that, selecting data related to the problem and next combining the data sets, you may integrate the data. Clean the data to find the missing values. You need to clean the data in order to find the missing values. Handle the missing values by removing or imputing them. You can remove and you can assign them to handle the missing values. Errors are dealt with by being removed. Use the box plots for detecting outliers and handling them. Outliers are nothing but the data which is far differ from the data set. That means if you have the set of data like 5, 10, 15 and the outliers will be 40, 50. That is differ from the data present in the data set. And exploratory data analysis. In exploratory data analysis, to understand data and data features better, we create heat maps, bar graphs, and charting. So, when we are analyzing the data, we need to keep few factors in our mind. That is, when the data is accurate and free of duplicates, missing values, and even null values. Additionally, when working on model construction, we need to be sure that we recognize the crucial factors in the dataset and eliminate any extraneous noise that can really reduce the accuracy of our conclusions. So, in exploratory data analysis, we should eliminate any extraneous noise present in the dataset. Next, modeling the data. Modeling the data is the most important step of the life cycle of data science. This tells a lot about a data science project. This phase is about selecting the right model type depending on whether the issue is classification, regression, or clustering. So, we'll discuss this modeling the data types like classification, regression, or clustering in the further classes. Next, evaluating the model. In evaluating the model, we have two techniques. First one is holdout evaluation and second is cross-validation. In holdout evaluation is the process of testing your model with data that is distinct from the data it was trained on, like that whether the data is different from the data it was trained on. So this offers a frank assessment of learning effectiveness. Next, cross-validation. In cross-validation also we have two techniques. First one is cross-validation procedure. The initial observation data is set is divided into two sets. So that is a training set for the model training and an independent set for analysis evaluation. So these both approaches uses a test set to assess model performance in order to prevent overfitting. Next, so the metrics that are used to evaluate the models are classification model, accuracy, ROC and AUC is receiver operating characteristics, area under the curve, precision, recall or log loss, regression models, mean square angular error, mean square predictive error, R square, adjusted R square, unsupervised model, mutual information and RAND index. So these are the metrics to evaluate the model performance. Okay. Next, deploying the model. We have reached the end of our life cycle. In this step, the delivery method that will be used to distribute the model to users or another system is created. So, deploying the model in data science involves making your trained model accessible and usable in your production environment. That means it is ready to use. This is all about data science and the 6 key steps of the data science life cycle. Thank you.